Hi, I'm Erleen Tilton. Today I'm sharing 5 quick tips on how to start eating healthy. Number 1 is, what's your why? Is it for getting more energy, dropping pounds, improving your health, or is it food sensitivities? What is your why? And then you've got to ask yourself some hard questions. Am I in it for the long haul, or is this something that I'm just kind of getting my feet wet with? This will help you understand how committed you really are. Number 2 is to find healthy food swaps. This is so key to your success because you've got to be able to know how to replace those foods that you're going to give up. So you need to swap out the sugar, the white flour, the dairy, and even your carb foods for your proteins and vegetables. Learn how to swap out the right foods. This is when you're going to see great success. Number 3 is remove those temptations. Time to discard. Better in the garbage than in your gut, right? And time to remove and replace those items in your kitchen that will create a healthy kitchen so you can have healthier eating. Number 4 is focus on the good for me's. Yes, if you cannot let go of all those old-time favorites and are constantly feeling deprived, you'll never be able to be successful. You've got to let go. Focus on the can-haves that will help you succeed. Number 5 is love learning and your newfound journey. As long as you are positive and happy and excited about this new journey, you will be able to succeed. And I suggest you start by subscribing to my channel because I share many healthy videos here, and you'll be able to get updated on every new one that comes your way. Next, go to the description below and take that health assessment. It is free, and so is the first consultation. You have nothing to lose and everything to win. Just get started now. I'm here to walk you down that path to success. So like my video, then subscribe so you can get all the new updates on healthy eating. Then take that health assessment in the description below. I'd love to help you on your path to a healthier you.